Hello and welcome to Shiny Things Props. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of my workshop, which is about 15 square meters. Hello. I have several tools at my disposal. A bandsaw, can really recommend that. I don't yet have a scroll saw, but I will be getting one at some point. An extraction case, I'm not sure what to call it. It sucks out fumes. It's really great for light work. A respirator, seriously. If you have to get anything, get one of these. There's a chemical filter on it. Make sure it's a chemical filter because you will be working with casting. And yeah, they're nasty. They might not all be carcinogenic, but they are still really nasty to your health. I have a wood cover set. If you do any work with epoxy sculpt, wood, obviously, or something like that, get yourself a nice carving set. They are relatively cheap. I got these from my fiance's grandfather, and I also got a lot of tools from my own grandfather. This is the Far Cry 3 dagger I'm working on right now. I won't be going into details with this one because I'll have another video for that. See it in the description. Right. That's actually an airbrush nozzle, or gun. I haven't got a compressor for it yet, so I use spray paint, but I'll be getting one. A very small micro pillar drill. I'd recommend getting a full-size one. I will be getting one. This is a Proxxon. Usually people just call them Dremel tools, but this is a Proxxon. It's a rotary tool. Yeah, get yourself a nice big bin too. Really, seriously. I have a lot of my manual tools in here. Drills, chemicals, hammers, wrenches, clamps, paints. Also, another thing I'd really recommend is don't get the latex gloves. Get the nitrile ones. They're much better. And there's no risk of allergic reactions. In here I have screws, bolts, molds, and power tools at the bottom. I also have scrap styrene, plates, sheets, and different pipes. In here I have some electronic stuffs, and my 3D printer, which I made this little shelf for. It can be pulled in and out, and this is the control panel for it. That down there is the hose for the extraction box I showed before. So yeah, you don't need a lot of things to make props. To be honest, when I started out, I had a small white table and a Dremel tool, two files, and a saw. And with that, I managed to make this one and the Orcs Must Die wrist plates. So I know this is a bit in an interview fashion, but I simultaneously wanted to show the workshop. So the next few texts I'll do will be in much higher quality, and I'll do some interview formats also. That one is from Vulpin Props. Bought from a site, downloaded, printed. That's a custom clock based on an IKEA model. So yeah, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching.